Ever wanted to go somewhere that works great as the capital city of NATO? Ever wanted to go somewhere that works great as the capital city of the European Union? But ever wanted to go somewhere that doesn't work as great as the capital city of its own country? Welcome to Brussels! Okay, so here's Northwest Europe, here's Belgium, and here's Brussels. Well, up until it all breaks up and falls apart anyway. Maybe the best way to describe Brussels would be something along the lines of, you've gone out, you've had a big meal, you've had a great time, then you come home, after a little while, you start feeling ill, and then there's instant regrets. Now, what exactly do I mean by this? Let's take the architecture of Brussels, such as the Palace of Justice. It's a beautiful building, apart from the fact that it's got scaffolding up, it's got its windows smashed in, and generally no one cares about it. There's amazing Art Nouveau houses everywhere. There's brilliant skyscrapers, apart from the fact that there's crap and rubbish literally all over the place. Why? Why Brussels? Why are you full of crap? And then there's the Manneken Pis, a small statue of a boy naked having a wee. But you can get this on printed postcards. You can eat this in chocolates. You can get this in key rings. You can even get this on a range of clothing. Why? Why Brussels? Why would anyone want this stuff? Who knows? And then there's the Atomium, which the building itself is amazing. It's all based on atomic structures, so there's all these different levels. There's these futuristic tubes you can go inside. It's quite exciting. But then they have to ruin it with an exhibition on the 1958 exposition of the World's Fair, blah, blah, blah. It's literally as exciting as this grey square. Why? Why Brussels? Why do you have to ruin something so great with something so boring? Then there's the European Quarter. And you can go around and there's museums demonstrating how amazing and fabulous and brilliant and super the European Union is. And it's meant to be the greatest thing in the whole entire universe. And everyone's really happy for that. Apart from if you're British, Italian, Hungarian, or Greek. But they don't matter. It's fine. So, what to see in Brussels? There's the medieval town hall, great for seeing lots of flowers. There's the Basilica of the Sacred Heart, the world's biggest Art Deco building. There's the Institute of Natural Sciences, amazing for seeing lots of dinosaurs. There's the Magritte Museum, great for surrealism. And then there's the Musical Instrument Museum. So what's a good day trip from Brussels? There's loads of places you can go within Belgium. There's Bruges, Antwerp, Wallonia, well, maybe. But one of the more interesting places would be over the border to a place called Aachen, which used to be the medieval capital city of the Frankish Empire. So there's Aachen Cathedral, a wonder of medieval architecture. You can go inside and then there's a Palatine Chapel, so this is where the king used to be. There's golden mosaics, brilliant columns, it's a World Heritage Site. There's medieval treasure, there's reliquaries. You'll have a great time. So, how does Brussels score? Well, the Institute of Natural Sciences is one of the best natural history museums in Europe with about 37 million iguanodons. It's amazing. Then there's brilliant architecture, old, modern, famous artworks. I'm going to give Brussels a solid 3. Well done. So, if you want to be amazed by fabulous buildings, dinosaurs, EU propaganda, if you want to feel confused about naked boy statues and surrealist artworks, but then you realise you're knee deep in rubbish and crap, then Brussels is the place for you.